Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve the few more numericals of government budget for you, so that you know how to do it. You can do it on your own very properly. So some sample or some solutions I am doing here for you. As you can see, a question on the screen from the following data about a government budget. Find revenue deficit, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. So the first step is that we have to calculate revenue deficit. So revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. So first step is that we are going to write the formula. Then we will be putting the values for the same. So the values for the same, which is equal to the question. In the question what is given, we can see tax revenue is given in the question. First thing is that we have to calculate revenue deficit for the same. Revenue expenditure is directly given in the question. So we are going to put the value of revenue expenditure, which is equal to 80 crore minus revenue receipt. Now revenue receipt is directly not given in the question, but as I have already taught you what is revenue receipt, that is a summation of tax revenue and non-tax revenue. So here your tax revenue is 47 in Arab and non-tax revenue is 10. So it comes to total of 57. So which is equal to 23 Arab. So this is what your answer is. So this is how we calculate, students, the revenue receipt. Now the next thing which has been asked in the question is, as you can see on the screen, that the question is asking you to calculate what? In this case, the question is asking you to calculate fiscal deficit. Now we know two formula for calculating fiscal deficit. The first formula to calculate fiscal deficit is total expenditure minus total receipt is equal to total expenditure minus total receipt excluding borrowing. This is the formula. And the next formula for fiscal deficit is equal to borrowing. So we know, since we get the information directly in the question, so we are going to use this formula of fiscal deficit, which is equal to the amount of borrowings. So this is what is fiscal deficit. So putting the values in the solution, the borrowing is equal to 32. So this is what your fiscal deficit is. Now the third thing which you have to calculate here is primary deficit. So primary deficit, we put the value here. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. So this is what the formula is. Putting the formula, we do the calculation, which is equal to fiscal deficit is 32 here minus interest payment is given in the question as 20. So which is equal to 12 Arab. So this is how we have solved the first question, students. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now as we can see on the screen, the next question here, that is which is asking you to calculate what? It is asking you to calculate revenue receipt, fiscal receipt. So what do we see here? We have to calculate revenue receipt, fiscal deficit and primary deficit. The given information is revenue deficit is given to you in the question and revenue expenditure is given to you in the question. So we are going to use the formula of revenue deficit, which is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt. So revenue deficit is given to you in the question as 6,000 crores, which is equal to revenue expenditure is given as 11,000 crores minus revenue receipt is the one which you have to calculate as per the question. So this is what you have to do. Now when you calculate this, so 11,000 minus 6,000, which gives you 5,000, which is equal to your revenue receipt. So I hope the A part is clear how we have done this. Now I will talk about how to calculate fiscal deficit. Now, as I told you, there are two formula for fiscal deficit. So here borrowings is not given to us in the question. So we will be using the next formula, that is total expenditure minus total receipt excluding borrowing. Students, I'm writing the short form here so that I don't consume much of time. So this is what I have used the formula. So fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure. Now total expenditure is equal to capital expenditure plus revenue expenditure. So in this case, capital expenditure is given as 14,000 plus your after capital expenditure your revenue expenditure, that is plus, which is given as 11,000. So this is given to you as total expenditure. I am putting this in bracket to separate it from total receipt. Okay, now minus, which is equal to, so minus total receipt excluding borrowing. Total receipt is equal to revenue receipt plus capital receipt. So revenue receipt, which we have already calculated in the question, which is equal to 5,000, which is equal to 5. Now here we see, students, total expenditure, which I have already put here, minus total receipt excluding borrowings. So total receipt is equal to revenue, as I told you, revenue receipt plus capital receipt excluding borrowing. So here revenue receipt already you have calculated as 5,000 plus I have taken non-debt creating capital receipt. Now what does this mean? This is a capital receipt, but which type of capital receipt? Which does not create any debt. That means it itself means capital receipt excluding borrowing. So that I have already included here. So 14,000 plus 11,000, which is equal to 25,000 minus 8,000 plus 5,000, which is equal to 13,000. Now we solve it further. So we get the answer here as 12,000. 25,000 plus 13,000, which is equal to 12,000. Now the third thing as per the question which we have to calculate, students, is the primary deficit, as you can see on the screen. So primary deficit, we know the formula very well. Primary deficit is equal to, just 1 minute, let me increase the font size so that it is clearly visible to you all. So I'm keeping it as 18. So primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payment. So by putting the form values here, fiscal deficit already been calculated by me as 12,000, interest payment already been given in the question as 7,000. So we get the answer here, which is equal to 5,000 crores. So I hope this is clear, students, that how we are solving the questions of this government the budget deficit. And this is very important. Why I'm presuming it to be important? Because this year when the board exam was conducted, a question was related to, a numerical question was related to government budget deficit. So better you all do it very properly. There are a set of 8 questions in your book which you should do it very properly, and that are more than sufficient. Thank you so much for this session.